any longer, it's just very dark. My dear, let me tell you, this will not clear it. Yes, now this is a picture of a fresh sunburn, while this one is a picture of a old sunburn. So know the one you fall in. This is what an old sunburn looks like. Now, hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can effectively treat your sunburn permanently. Like permanently, yes, you heard me. So if your face is always darker than your body and your face is always red, or your face is like this side of the cheek is very black, this side is also very black or a little bit red, you're seeing discolorations at this end, just know that you're suffering from chronic sunburn. All right, so we have fresh sunburn. That means a sunburn that is just starting. Okay, your face, that area is always red. Maybe when you go out at the sun, you know, it's always red. Or there are some that here to this area is dark, like black already. Why here can be a little bit brighter, but you see these cheek zones, they're already dark. Now this is what we call sunburn, and this is as a result of exposing yourself to the sun and you're using products that are harsh. Now if you don't know, let me tell you, some products that you're using, some of your face creams, some of your bar soaps, they are harsh for your face. So when you use it on your face and you go out under the sun without sunscreen, you become red, your face becomes red, and from that process, gradually this cheek zone here becomes darker. Like your face becomes very dark than even your body, than your neck, than your hands. That is because you're using products that are not good to be exposed under the sun. So if you have this kind of product, please know that you don't need to be coming out on the sun. All right, now you may be wondering, okay, now I cannot mention names, but I can only mention ingredients, right? So go and check, look at that face cream that you're using. Does it have things like mercury? Does it have things like higher level of hydroquinone inside? Is that what you're using? Are they promising you that in the next 3 to 7 days your face will become very white or very light? Look at those kind of products. Check the ingredients. They contain ingredients that if you come out under the sun constantly without a good sunscreen, you are allegedly to suffer from sunburn. Either the fresh that will not go or turn into the old. A treatment. I have scheduled out a treatment for somebody that is actually suffering from sunburn, and I have healed a whole lot of people's sunburn recently because a whole lot of my clients came with sunburn, and I decided to make a video for that. All right, so let me make a general video for that. If you have a sunburn, just watch this video. I can assure you that your sunburn can still go, only if you follow the right steps. Please, first things first, you need a gentle facial wash. You see all these harsh products, all these harsh soaps, you don't need it right now. You're not in that phase. You are not in that phase. You need something gentle, something that can blend in, something that does not have alcohol, that is just there, which is this, a simple hydrating facial wash. Now this facial wash is so simple and it's just there. Its duty is just to clean your face, make sure your face is cleaned properly. No alcohol, is good for all skin types. That is the best. That is what we want, something very simple, and this is so affordable. Now this, you can just use this, press 2 to 3 drops into your hands, lather it on your hands, go into your face, wash your face for like good 60 seconds. Gradually take your time, wash your face for good 60 seconds. Make sure you remove the dirt. Now don't be hard on your skin, okay? Don't be hard on your skin. Don't go on scrubbing your face. You're only making things worse. Sunburn will not go that way. Just be gentle on your face, all right? Go gentle, do it calmly, wash your face. When you're done washing your face, please go in with the next serum that I'll be telling you, because when you're done washing your face, the next thing that falls in is what we call treatment procedures. You are about to treat your face. You are about to treat your face. Good. So I'll be giving you guys ingredients to look out for and these products that you can actually purchase if you really want to fade your sunburn. Now this is what I want you to understand. I'm going to categorize this for you, okay? I'm going to categorize it into 2. If your sunburn, my dear, if your sunburn on your face is still fresh, please listen. Don't say I didn't. I'm not saying it. If the sunburn on your face is fresh, very fresh, please use aloe vera. Let me get it. This is the wash that I'm talking about. Okay, so just look at it. This wash, this is what I'm talking about. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's for all skin types, and it's dermatology tested, so it's good. Okay, does it has an alcohol. Now, as I was telling you guys, use an aloe vera only if the sunburn on your face is still fresh. This aloe vera, listen, use this only if the sunburn on your face is fresh. Now, how do you know your sunburn is fresh? Your cheek here is very red, and let's say it's kind of like hurting you. It's red, your hair feels hot, you know, and all those things. You can only use this to soothe it. Please understand what I'm saying. You can only use an aloe vera to soothe that particular area. Now, what aloe vera does is, if your skin is feeling hot, reddish, aloe vera will just go there and calm it. So aloe vera is like cold water to a hot pot. Do you get? A pot is extremely hot, you pour in some cold water, everything will calm down, right? That is just what aloe vera does to your face. If your sunburn, I'm still saying it, if the sunburn on your face is still fresh, very fresh, please get this, use this, apply it, allow it to dry. It will just calm it down. Okay, it's gonna calm it down. Then you get your serum. You get a niacinamide serum. Now you can use the ordinary niacinamide serum, which is, it contains 10% of niacinamide, 2% of zinc. Get the ordinary niacinamide serum and use it. Like, first of all, like when you're using this, allow this to sink into your skin before you go in with your serum thereafter. Please do understand. Before you go in with your serum thereafter, you can use niacinamide morning and night. You can just use niacinamide morning and night for your issue. Now, see, this thing that I'm mentioning is for people that have fresh sunburn. Your sunburn is fresh. Listen, I'm coming for those that still have old sunburn, like their sunburn has become old, it has healed, but it has left a very black patch here. I'm coming for you people. This one is for people that still have fresh sunburn. Then going with a niacinamide. A niacinamide will just help there in making sure that things are going well. You're going with your moisturizer. You can get a very good moisturizer. Okay, see, leave harsh face creams for now. You see all those face creams that are like promising you 7 days, leave all those ones. Your face does not need it. See, understand that your skin talks by its actions. So go for something that is, you know, something that is not harsh, is just there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. A very good face cream that is not harsh, but is there. Now this is the CosRx. Now this is the CosRx Mucin moisturizer. This is no harsh, this is just there, and this can moisturize your face. You can get this contains snail mucin. It will help. Get this, as you guys can see, this is just how it looks like. This is the original, so you guys can see. So get it, okay, get it and use it. Then you need a sunscreen. You need a sunscreen. Whether your sunburn is fresh, whether your sunburn is old, you need a sunscreen. Yes, this is the sunscreen that you need. Your sunburn is already healed, but you have a black patch at this eye, a black patch at this side, this side, this side, or this side. You know, this aloe vera, as I said earlier, will only suit your face. It will not clear your sunburn. No. It suits. Aloe vera generally suits the face. It doesn't clear sunburn. That is what you need to have in mind. So this is what you need. Your own routine is different. Remember, I made a routine for people that have fresh, newly fresh sunburn. This one is for people that have old sunburn, like their sunburn is very old. Please, you get, after washing your face with this, after washing your face with this, you now get for yourself a good serum. Please get the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. The ordinary alpha arbutin serum. See, alpha arbutin is powerful because alpha arbutin can be categorized under a lightening product that help with discoloration of all kinds. So get the ordinary alpha arbutin, or get an alpha arbutin from any brand that you can trust. aside the ordinary. Okay, get it, and apply 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop. You're good to go. Massage it into your face. Allow it to dry. Allow it to dry inside. You will not get a good moisturizer. You can still use the Cosrx moisturizer. You can use the Cosrx moisturizer. It is fine. I said what? It is fine. Then, whether your sunburn is fresh, whether your sunburn is old, please get a sunscreen. What I'm holding here is a sunscreen from Madagascar, but it's from Skin 1004. This is a Korean sunscreen. Lately, I've been using Korean sunscreens and I've been loving it, and that is why I'm recommending it. But if you cannot get this, please get something like this. You see these ones? They are good sunscreens. They will do the job. Now, if you don't know how to use a sunscreen, let's just say you don't know how to use a sunscreen, how can you apply sunscreen? You will apply sunscreen after you have washed your face, apply your serum, apply your moisturizer. Sunscreen is the last thing you apply. Sunscreen is the last thing you apply. And note, you don't apply sunscreen in the night. Sun does not shine in the night. Only apply your sunscreen in the morning, in the afternoon. You see night, don't apply sunscreen because there's no sun that is shining. There's no UV ray. That enemy is not against you. So this is the sunscreen that I'm talking about from Skin Madagascar. Now let's say you have bought a sunscreen. This is how you apply your sunscreen in the morning before stepping out. Though, before stepping out, we have what we call the 3-finger rule. But me, I don't do 3-finger rule. But I'll show you what the 3-finger rule is. 3-finger rule is when you apply 1, 2, 3, like in large quantity. This is 3-finger rule. 3-finger rule. You apply this all over your face, but I don't do 3-finger rule. I apply generously. I'm not stingy with my sunscreens. I'll just take my sunscreen and apply it all over my face, aside my mouth and my eyes. I apply it all over my face, my neck, everywhere. I apply it. Then I stay indoor. I stay in my room for like 10 to 20 minutes so that the sunscreen will sink inside. When the sunscreen sinks inside, I can now go out. Do you get? I can now go out. So that is just how you apply a sunscreen. You can do the 3-finger method, or you can apply generously on your face. Make sure the sunscreen sinks inside your skin before you step out under the sun. Even if the sun is not shining that day, please wear sunscreen. Oh. See, some of you don't know that sunscreen can actually clear your sunburn. You're sleeping on sunscreen. You're sleeping on sunscreen. You're buying different products. You're doing different chemical peels on your face. That sunburn have not go because you're not using sunscreen. Who told you that you don't need sunscreen? You need sunscreen a whole lot. See, there was a time I don't use sunscreens when I was breaking out, but since I started using sunscreen, my skin changed. So please start incorporating sunscreens. Get good. See, get a very good sunscreen. That is one. Don't get an anyhow sunscreen. It's either you get this, you get Nivea, you get Biore. The ones you're seeing on the screen, those are sunscreens that you need to have, and see bye-bye to your sunburn, scars, and stay bye-bye to it. Yes, I'm being very honest with you. Now, if your sunburn, please take note, if your sunburn has already healed, okay, like your sunburn has healed, your sunburn is like 2 months, 2 years old, a year old, it has healed, it's not left with black patch here, please get a glycolic acid. This is what a glycolic acid is. This is the ordinary glycolic acid. This is what you should get. This is just how it is. Now what this does is, if you use this, just put 1 drop, 2 drops to a cotton pad. Let me show you. These are for people that their sunburn is old, not all this fresh sunburn, not sunburn of 1 month, 2 months. Don't use this method. I'm telling you, I am screaming it. Disclaimer. If your sunscreen is 1 month, 2 old, 3 months, 4 months, please don't use this method. Don't do this method. You will cry. Your sunburn will not go. This method is for those who know that they are sunburn. You don't say. It's been long. It's been on their face and they have been trying to heal it. It's not going. do this method. This is only at night. You see this thing only at night. I tried using this thing in the daytime. It burnt my skin. It burnt the living hair out of my skin. Use this thing only at night. See that time you want to go to bed? Please use this thing. Yes, in the morning you bath and it will go out. Use it once a week. One time in a week. That means in a month only 4 times. This is how you use it. This is your cotton pad. Open this. Pour. You pour 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop, 5 and 6 drop. See, then you now apply it on that area that you have sunburn. Apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it. Gently, oh, that places you have sunburn, apply it. Allow it to rest for like 10 minutes before you apply another product. You see this thing you're seeing here? This thing is not any house. This is not any house chemical exfoliant. This one is more powerful than salicylic acid. People that know will tell you. So you do this once a week. I bet you see that your olden days sunburn that refuse to leave you, that stick to you. Hey, it will go. It will be you'll be seeing results. It will be clearing. Look at my clients, they are testifying. Once you follow my method, say bye-bye to your sunburn, it will go. I'm telling you, it will go. These are products you need to look at. It will go. As long as you have sunscreen, you have the right product, you're doing the right method, your sunburn will go. It's not permanent. Sunburns are not permanent. They will go. Follow this method and they will go. Now, if you had sunburn before, tell us in the comment section what your experience was like. In the comment section, if you had sunburn before, what was your experience like? Don't forget to share with us. Now, if you find this method helpful, don't forget to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stick around to Sunshine Skincare Diary, whereby I help people with their skincare issues and give you guys daily tips from time to time. Bye bye.